Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS Rajashimi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about control instructions in C. Let me start. Yes, in C, control instructions are used to control the order of execution of statement. They allow decision, repetition and branching in the programs. C provides four types of control instructions. First one is sequence control instructions. Default flow of the C program. Statement are executed one after another in order they appear. Second one is decision control instruction, that is selection. Used to make decision if else, nested if, switch condition. Looping control instruction is iteration. Used for the repetition of the statements for while and do while. Next one is case control or jump instruction, used to alter normal sequence of execution. Next one, understanding the control instruction in C. First one is sequence control. The default way instruction are executed. Runs line by line order, they be written. Second one is decision control, that is selection. Help the program decide what to do based on the conditions. Loop control, that is called as iterations. Used when we want to repeat some statements. The for loop is used for when the number of repetition is known as jump control. Used to break the normal flow of execution. Break exists from the loop or switch statement. It's only for existing the loop. Continue. Skip the current loop iteration, that is called as continue. Go to keyword is nothing but jump to a label instructions. Return exists from the functions. The control instruction flow of the program. These are the types of control instructions. Next one, if and if else statement. First one, if statement. If statement is nothing but decision making control instruction in C. It allows the program to execute block of code only when a given condition is true. If the condition is true, the statement inside if the execute. If the condition is false, the statement skipped. Next one is if else statement. Decisions. If else statement is nothing but extension of the simple if. It is allow the program between the two blocks of the code. The one block is executed if the condition is true. The another block is executed if the condition is false. For example, if we declare in the number variable, that is the data type is integer, the assign the value is 10. If number greater than or equal to 0, print number is positive. Else printf number is negative. Just if the value is true, the printf is positive value, else the negative value. The output is number is positive. Okay. Next one, nested if or else if ladder. Nested if is nothing but if statement means if the statement is inside another if else. It is used to when the decision depend on more than one conditions. That is the else if ladder is used when we want to choose between the multiple options. Instead of writing multiple if else block, we use else if ladder for clarity. For example, int marks equal to 85. We assign the mark is 85. If the mark greater than or equal to 90, printf the grade is A. Else, if the mark is greater than or equal to 80, the printf grade is B. Else, printf grade C. Below the 80 is grade C. So the output is grade B. Next one, using the switch statement. Switch statement is the multi-way decision making control instructions. It allows variable to expression to be compared with multiple constant value, that is called as case. Instead of writing multiple if else statement, else if statement, we use the switch clarity for our efficiencies. For example, we declare the data type is character, the variable name is grade equal to b. Switch grade, case a, printf is excellent, then give the keyword is break. Next one is case b, the printf the good, break. Default is invalid grade. Now we are hearing give the b grade, so the output is good. Next one, for and while loop statement. For loop is an entry control loop. Condition is checked first. It is used when we know beforehand how many times we want to repeat the block of codes. The while loop is entry control loop. It is used when we do not know in advance how many times we need to execute the loop. The loop continue until the condition becomes the false. For example, the for loop is for I initialize the variable and then increment or decrement, the condition is checked. It's for the condition. Printf is I is just print the values. Next, j is initialize the 1, while j less than or equal to 5, printf just j will print the j. J is increment. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, do while and jump statement. Do while is nothing but it is an entry control loop. Unlike for and while, we check the condition is first. The do while execute the at least once before the checking the conditions. Jump statement is nothing but jump statement are used to change the flow of the execution by transferring control from one point to another. The break statement used to exit immediately from the loop for the switch statement. The continuous skip the current iteration of the loop and goes to the next one. Goto statement transfer the control to a label in the program, rarely used in the program. For example, int I equal to 1, initialize the value I value is 1, do. If I double equal to 3, continue. Printf I plus plus, then while I less than or equal to 5. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.